Next topic I'm gonna teach you that is MU. Right? Okay, what is an MU? MU is mean uh, can be movable. It can be moved part. It can be movable to point to point in the line production line of your something like this. Okay, I will explain by this presentation. Okay, MU mean movable unit, right? Okay, maybe you focus on the left zone in under the folder MUS, right? MUS is a part. Okay, it can be movable, right? In the production line, and container is can is the same of the part, right? Just right the container is the the carrier part, right? It's container. And another transporter. A transporter mean AGV, right? And conveyor, right? And forklift, something. This is they can be movable, right? In your process. Okay, it's part, right? It's part. It can be movable, right? Okay, in the span simulation, it not count. It not count this part to be object, right? An object, okay, focus on the station, drain, sort, something, right? And movable units, okay, no problem. Okay, if you add up in the process, it not count to be right the object, right? It are the object in the pan simulation. It's counting it on the lesson, okay? It not count in this MU part. Okay, if you double click on the part, right? Okay, in that part, okay, its own have the property, a lot of the property, define the size, define the color, define the location, define the function animation, something, right? You double click on the part, okay, show up on your screen, right? The property, right? Okay, in the container, the same. This container is the pallet, right? The block, right? It's block tank, something, right? Okay, this is the container. Okay, define the capacity, right? Define the size of the pallet, something. Okay, I will teach you later again when the situation need, right? Okay, I just review some detail for you, right? In the start, in this start, right? The beginner, right? Okay, just look around of the command of the dialog box, right? Okay, I bring you to the transporter. Transporter is the same. Okay, is the property. You can define the size, define the speed of the conveyor, define the speed of the forklift, something, a vehicle, auto guiding vehicle. Okay, this the same forklift, right? This is the AGV, the forklift, something. Okay, and next sort, right? Okay, nobody is sort very important, right? Okay, this the function, important function. A sort have the duty, carry and supply, right? It take the raw material to the process, right? Okay, supply to your process, so your production line, right? Okay, so this is the duty, is the function, important function from the sort object. Okay, feed the object, feed the raw material to the process, right? Okay, the process there are the machine, they are okay concerned about the energy, maybe there is a worker, right? Okay, maybe because it's work, right? Is a product should be used from the worker to make write the skill, use the skill of the worker to build it, to modify to date up some function, right? Okay, use the worker, right? Either in the process, right, and go out of the process is the drain, right? Show up on the display something, and okay, can be divide. You can divide the session. Okay, count in the finished goods and neglect goods, like something like that. Okay, this is the process. It's sort supply the part, the raw material to the process. Okay. Okay, this is the part, right? Is a part. Okay, the part you can take the one part to the sort, right? Okay, sort is in this one. Okay, in type of the part, maybe it's object part something, right? Part. It's a product, right? Uh, to the sort, right? And raw material, right? The part supply on the process. Okay, it's only one type. Okay, one sort, one MUS, something like this. Okay, it's normal. It's normal. If you need to, okay, adapt to advanced, okay. Maybe some work need more than one type part, right? Okay, maybe feed the container, feed another step, right? Another step feed the part, another step feed the container again. Container mean the pallet, something. Okay, it's the more than one type of the part. Okay, maybe you can use that. Use pass, right? Use pass the table. Because it's normal, you just take the part to here, and okay, you need to adapt to advanced. Okay, you cannot use just only the part. You just use the data table instead, right? You use data table instead, right? You do drop down to this blank, right? This blank box, you drop down, and okay, right now you're going to do about supply the multi-type part, multi MU, right? MU. Okay, not only one type. Right now, if you take the table, come in this table bank box like this, right? Like this. Okay, that means you decide to use the multi-type feed to the your process already. Okay, I will show you how to use that. Right? Okay, let me bring you to this the path simulation. Okay, let me create a new one. Okay, I need to keep two exercise, two case, right? Basic parameter and wood table. Keep in this program, right? In this project as well, because I maybe sometime, okay, I will turn it back to the previous is the old one and explain some step, right? Okay, I click on right button and a model frame again. Okay, I need to click close it. Okay, I start up the new one. I just rename to be MU, right? Basic, basic MUS. Okay, click OK. Okay, going to material flow, and I take the take the sort, take the station, the drain. Oh, sorry. I think okay. Sorry, I use another way. Another way is better. Okay, I sort, right, and use the conveyor. The conveyor, you click on here to start the conveyor length and stop the conveyor length, right? Okay, and finish. Okay, it's just start, right? It's a basic, right? It's a overall how to use the container, right? Okay, I don't focus on the detail, on the more information, right? I just okay, it's only the basic, right? Just okay, take the conveyor, show up on the MUS, right? On this exercise, because the conveyor easy to look at, the part okay carry on by the conveyor on the top, right? Easy to look at, right? Okay, that's it. I just finished. Okay, I double click on the sort. Okay, right now MU bank, right? Okay, take MUS dot part, right? Okay, the raw material of the part, right? Okay, this one, okay, is unlimited, right? Unlimited. Okay, feed osway feed to the conveyor, right? Okay, that's it. I will show you about uh, how the system works. Run. Okay. It cannot because the connector is gone. It's never. Okay, I just reset. Reset, right? Okay, I just close and back, right? Okay, this is the way number one. You can connect. Okay, you drag the conveyor closure to the sort, right? And automatic connect together, right? Okay, and go out again. Another way, you just use connector. You just use a connector. Uh, okay, you already know about this. Okay, I just play again. Reset and play. Đấy là continuous feed. Đấy, feed. Okay, it's okay. It's overwhelm about the workpiece on the conveyor. Okay, I delete it. Okay, I double click again, right? Okay, you see it. If I limit to 5, right? Okay, click OK again. Okay, reset and turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, and that's it. Stop. Okay, the saw didn't feed the raw material anymore, right? Stop at 5 because I preset up at 5 already, right? Okay, stop at 5. And another okay, let me set another parameter you should know about this dialog box. Interval mean okay, you can adjust and modify some parameter if you need to feed, right? To feed the raw material to the conveyor, right? The conveyor relays on the space. It's a gap. It's gap, right? It's a gap. Okay, it's the time space. You can define the interval. First one, right? And the first one based on the conveyor, and okay, how many time, right? How many period time? What the period time you need to waiting, waiting until waiting. You're waiting for feed the second part to this system, to your system, right? Okay, in the time period is okay. You can define here. Okay, define the 5 second maybe. Okay, 5 second. Okay, apply. Okay, right. Okay, keep the gap between two part, right? Okay. What about the what about second space? No, second bang box. Okay, this is start. No, okay, normally start zero, zero. Okay, the time zero. Okay, feed on the conveyor, right? Start up at 0 second. Okay, feed immediately. And that's if you need to your system waiting. Okay, 2 second, 10 second, right? Okay, sorry, 10 second, 10 second, 10 second. Uh, okay, the 10 second left, right? Okay, start up feed to your system, your process. Okay, I will show you. Click OK. Okay, double click on the event controller and okay, waiting. Okay, waiting 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, okay, first one, first raw material, okay, feed to the conveyor, right? Okay, listen, double click again, and the step. Stop, sorry, stop or start 10 seconds. Okay, I will start 20, right? 20 seconds. Okay, amount of 5 workpieces need to feed on the conveyor. Okay, and right now you assign the time, right? Okay, interval, start and stop. Okay, like this. Okay, what happened? Okay, you can like this. 10 seconds. It's waiting 10 seconds. Okay, feed first one to the conveyor and waiting 5 seconds. Okay, the second two, and stop here. Why just not? Why just two product fit on the conveyor? Why not to be 5? Why not? Because the time waiting, the time 10, right? The time 10 and okay 10 and 5 second feed. The time 10, the 10 second pass, right? And first one press on, right? Use the 5 second and another second part feed on the conveyor. Okay, right now 10 plus 5 second time 2, right? Time 2 become to 20 and 20 second is stop, and one more raw material part cannot because limited by stop time already. That means, right? Okay, if you okay change to 25 seconds, okay, what happened? You can crash. You can think about this by yourself, right? And predict and crash. Okay, what happened in your in this system when you set up to the stop time 25 seconds? What happened in this case? Right? Okay, you take back. Waiting 10 minutes, 10 seconds. 2, okay, 3, okay, right now 20 seconds left, right? Okay, right now, okay, completed 25 time. Okay, complete done. Okay, it's completely done about 25. Okay, right now you got 3 products, right? Say on the conveyor. Okay. Okay, right now you have understood about this dialog box for source, right? Okay, and another little bit a trick, right? Okay, you see the behind of the stop box, right? Stop bank box like this, and okay, over here and on of this, when you modify some value in this space in this bank, okay, and uh, the trick box behind of this box, the trick, the option, right? The trick box is become to write this is the right is is marker is marked already. It's marked already. It's marked already. Right? Okay, it show up on the symbol is marked already. Marked already. Right? Okay, it's marked already mean okay. This box okay just was modified. Right? Was modified. Right? It was modified already. That means okay, change to marker. Mark okay, take it on, right? Mark it turn on, mark it turn on, something like this. Turn on because it's this bank box was modified, right? Modified free bank box. Okay, if you need to turn back to the default, very easy. You just click empty. Okay, right, turn off. Mark, right? Turn off the marker, right? Turn off the marker. Turn off the marker. Right? Okay, apply. Become to zero again. Come to zero again, right? Okay, when I change to find apply. Okay, this is a blank box. This is a marker box. It's a marker box. Turn on. Turn on. It's marker turn on like this. Marker turn off. Marker turn off. If you modify in the second block, okay, maybe the marker turn on. Okay, right? Okay, this is some trick, right? Okay. When you need to modify some part, the movable part, right? Movable part. Okay, maybe mu parts, mus, right? Mus dot part. Maybe container. Container is the one of the movable part, right? Container part. Mus part. Mus container. Mus is transporter. Okay, maybe. But that means you have to change. Okay, you click on here, select the object, click the container, click the container. It's okay. Okay, like this. Right? Another way you can drag drop on here. We come to part again. Right? Okay. Or click, oh, maybe the new point. Click. Okay. And you apply. Sorry. Okay. Delete. It's not the same, right? Okay. I just see it on here. MU. Okay, MU. I use a part, right? Okay. Okay, part. Click back. Reset. Double click on here. Okay. It. Maybe I use it. That drop to here. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay. Good. Reset. Right. Okay, double click on event controller again. And show up on here. Okay, and you can use this object. Okay, the container, right? Okay, another way I try to use the container, and that drop to here, right? Okay, apply, but okay, press okay, and the reset and rerun again. Okay, this is a container, right? It's a container. Okay, the container. Okay, reset. Another way you can select which one in the MUS to the sort, right? Okay. After I suggest you, okay, way number one, click the three three dot, right? Select the object, right? Another way, I drag drop on this bank box, right? Okay, in this way, I just take take the path to the source directly, right? And you notice about its shortcut symbol, right? It's a shortcut, okay, important, right? When you drag drop, okay, you notice the symbol shortcut like this, okay, it's right, it's correct, right? Okay, you release, right? Okay, take the event controller, play again. Okay, done. About here, okay, change to container here. Okay, I play right this, right? Okay, right now I need to copy, right? Control, okay, control and drag drop another line, right? Okay, sort become to sort one, conveyor become to the conveyor one, right? We check again what kind of the movable part fit to the first line, and double click on the sort. Okay, this one using the container, right? In the movable part that from left to your model, the first one. Okay, the container. I need to change my mind. I use the part that talk to the bank block and the MU, right? MU topic. Okay, I will click OK, right? And I check again and second line, working on the sort. Right? Second line is the container. Okay, I prefer this one. Okay, I will playing again. Okay, okay, it's correct. The feed are different. The movable part, first one feed the part, right? Second, feed the container, right? Okay, I should be reset back to the normal again. I will show you if you need to set up the movable part, the multi-movable part feed to the conveyor, right? Okay, let the movable part feed to the third line, right? Okay, I need to copy, click Control drag drop to under the second line. Okay, this one is the third one, and the third line process. Okay, I will supply different the kind of part. Okay, different kind of the movable part, right? Okay, you must use the data table, right? Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the data table, right? Okay, this is the icon, the command icon, right? Okay, this is the data table. Data table. Okay, the idea you should set up what kind of the movable part you need to feed to the conveyor from the source, right? Okay, this is source. Insert so insert okay, supply the one kind of the movable part, right? Okay, feed one movable part, one sort. Okay, I will supply multi movable part, right? The movable part. Okay, by using the data table. Okay, you must set up the data table. Right? Okay, I will show you how to set up the data table, right? And feed and that drop the movable part you need to feed. Multiply a different part. Okay, I will show you. Okay, you turn it back to the program, right? Okay, you drag drop the information flow, right? Because the data table contain at the tab information flow, right? Information flow. Okay. Right now I will use the information flow control the part, right? The part variable part feed to your person line, right? And right now just only the conveyor. Okay, read one. Okay, this example, right? Very simple example, right? Okay, use just only the conveyor in your process, right? Easy to explain you. Okay, I can talk on this. Okay, it's the basic. click on here the font of the sort number two, right? Okay, double click on the table and click on the table. Okay, this is the table. Okay, it is almost like the Excel Excel program. Excel program. Okay, because it's a column and row, right? Okay, nearly the same. Okay, it just I need to switch my display become to type vertically. Right? Okay. And right now it's right now it's not they have not yet the data inside of the table, and okay, sort necessary to take the data from the table, right, feed to the conveyor, right? And right now I need to use that dot method put into the sort number two. Okay, when you that dot the data table to the sort number two already, and the data table or the table is chain, right? Chain, okay, chain enough for the sort, right? Because the data table, okay, uh, it's a versatile benefit, right? You can take the data table to anywhere and any object. Any object can be used, the data, right? Use the data to supply different kind of the movable part, right? Okay, I will show you later. And this one, okay, is the example, very easy. Okay, suggest you about how to use the table, use the data table, right? Supply right the schedule and the order, right? And the order product order, right? Okay, something like that. Okay, I will show you how to feed the data to here. Okay, I will plan to use the past two pieces. That means I must use the mouse drag from the left, right? Left the class library, drag drop to the MU, right? This is MU is make sense. You must uh, take take the one of them part and that to the column is MU, right? Okay, and define a number. The number you need to print about, okay, two pieces should feed to the conveyor in the line number one, right? Okay, you print already, and the second, okay, you that drop to the container here and define the number of the part, right, on the container. uh, you will feed to the second line. Okay, number one. Okay, done, right? Okay, it's done already. Okay, check it out. Okay, and this one, the table, right? The table is the bank box, last bank box in this dialog box command. Okay, show up the data table right now. The sort, okay, the sort the sort is taking the data table information flow, right? And right now it's the third line process, right? Okay, taken and control is taken by the 10 data table, right? Information flow control the sort control the line, right? Okay, use the information, right? Okay, the content in the data table, right? Okay, right now I define already and the part two pieces and the container one piece, right? Okay, let's check again. Use it and run. Okay, two pieces and one container, right? Okay, put it back. Okay, you see this integer mean okay either integer mean positive, okay, positive number, right? It's positive number, right? Okay, count 1 2 3 4, right? The integer, right? Okay, and the first column, okay, it must be the part, okay, mutable part, right? In the MUS, right? And the class library, okay, one of it can be used supply to the table, right? And the table supply to the source supply to the conveyor, right? Okay, something like that. Okay, you can close, right? On off the line. You notice it about the on of this feed there. The part, the movable part to the conveyor continuous, okay, didn't stop, right? Didn't stop. That means you will look at and recheck again at the source, right? Okay, in the define file, okay, in the file, okay. When when the source, okay, supply for 5 pieces to the conveyor already, and okay, stop, right? Okay, it's correct. Okay, it's not infinite part, right? Okay, not infinite because it's a limit at 5. Okay, it's second limit at 5, right? Okay, it's correct. And this one at 5, okay, it's correct, right? Okay, when it stop, okay, stop at 5, right? Raw material part. Okay, I check again. 5, 5. Okay, done, right? Okay, it's correct. But if continuous, right? If you need to continuous, okay, you change to this bank amount, right? Amount is amount. Okay, if you define is a -1, okay, you click okay, it's a -1. Okay, click okay again. Okay, this one, the -1. Okay, back. Check again. Okay, double click. Oh, let me accelerate. Okay, the continuous it done didn't stop, right? Okay, didn't stop. Okay, go on feed to the conveyor, repeat again, over again, right? Okay, didn't stop because the -1, right? If you in the -1 to a mouse block, right? Okay, let's see a mouse block. Okay, if you okay change and the MU selection come to its constant, right? If I set up, right? Okay, sorry, if I set up this here, because you use the data and how many the lines to feed the raw material to the conveyor depend on the information flow, right? Information flow in the tools data table, right? If I check about it's a sequence, right? I stop at the sequence. Okay, what happened if I set up sequence, right? MU selection block, it click OK something. Yeah, stop at 3 because that option delete on the table, because the table there are two, right? Two detail, two row, right? And the part two pieces and the container one, right? Okay, all of this done. Okay, the process is done. Okay, process is done. Process. Okay, the specific parameter. Let's say brand. Okay, you can do this. You learning by doing. If you set up here, right? What happened if you set up the sequence I call, right? Okay, what different from the sequence parameter? Okay, you can try by yourself, right? Okay, I click here, check it out. Okay, continuous, continuous, right? Continuous. Okay, recheck again. If I change to define a mouse, okay, how many pieces? How many pieces I will use, right? Okay, maybe I define five. Okay, five, five, one. Okay, five pieces, five. Okay, this one also the same thing, five. Reset and play again. Okay, stop five, right? Okay. This is the spatial parameter, and you can learn by doing. Okay, if you got about basic knowledge already, you can try, right? Okay, you can try by yourself. Learn this program by yourself, right? Okay, you try one parameter. Okay, done, and another one parameter, try and repeat simulation, right? Okay, you would know about or on off thing or parameter, and you may, and that all okay, you make sense or not, and the parameter you set it up, right? And you can define specific more. Okay, click on the here, on here, on the table. You can copy and press, copy press, right? Part, okay, right now I need to 3. Okay, and this one need 5, right? 5 pieces. Okay, something like this, right? Okay, you change something and copy here. Okay, and so on. So define -1, -1. Okay, access and double click on the sort. Okay, define the cyclic, right? Oh, okay, it's not cyclical, cyclic, cyclical, cyclical. Okay, I use the sequence. Okay, 3 and 5, right? Okay, done. Nah, okay, it depend on the data table and the content, right? Content in the data table is take the data, and the sort take information in the data. Okay, feed to the conveyor right here. Okay, double click on the sort again. Okay, different time, the percent, right? Okay, if you click on the percent, the table, right? Okay, you see, and the table is changed, right? Table is changed, right? The portion, right? Is okay, it's change the number, right? The percent, the percentage, right? Okay, I need to I need delete it out. Delete. Okay, maybe I will. This is try. I will try. I will try. Uh, uh, okay. Uh, 50, 50. Eh, I don't know. I will try. Okay, 50, 50. Okay, take it back. Reset again. Change. 70 and 30. Okay, man, key again. Okay, last example, I will suggest you the specific table, specific parameters, right? I will show you. Okay, I will use, okay, my toolbar gone, and okay, use the new data table. Okay, double click on the sort. Okay, I suggest you specific one of them, right? Okay, I just test, right, and try using this one, the delivery table, right? Click on here, delivery table. Okay, delivery table mean, okay, when you waiting the transporter come in, right, come in and deliver the raw material and the product, right, to your process line, right? Okay, you will you will waiting and define the deliver time to the sort, right? Okay, and the table you use is the new one. Okay, that dot to here, right? Okay, I will set up the data table, right? Here, okay, I will just close, right? Close, and this one, okay, close it first. Okay, that drop first, that drop. Here, double click again, right? Okay, and information in the table, okay, okay, different from the last one, right? And right now, okay, need the, okay, sorry, need the MU, right? Okay, it just close. Okay, sort, okay, I need to change, right? Okay, I need to change. Oh, sorry, it come back to the default again. After I laptop here, right? Okay, I will uh, this check again. Okay, deliver table, right? And check the data table one. Okay, so apply. Okay, and I don't click on here. Okay, deliver time, right? Okay, I will set up 10 second, right? And 30 second and 50 second. Okay, you must do this by ordering the time, right? The time. The longer mean longer. Okay, you must move a longer time. Okay, uh, to the last, right? To a lower table, lower row. It's your lower row, right? Okay, this is the early. Okay, middle. This longer, right? Longest time. Okay, you must fill in later. Okay, it's ordering less to more, right? Okay, show you a number. Okay, I forgot a number and the mu, right? The object mu did the number, right? Object mu, you define the mu. Okay, you define mu. Something this container here and part again, right? Okay, this column. Okay, one, two, three. Something like this. Okay, back it again. Okay, it's waiting, right? Two, right? Waiting. Three, right? Done. Okay, non-repeat. Right? He didn't like about cyclic, right? And right now, okay, stop at the last one detail in the table, right? last one the table. Okay, and the table is done, it's gone on of that in the data in the table, right? Okay, it's your process is stopped, right? It's delay about, okay, delay about it's sort two, right? And the third line. Okay, this one, the idea. Okay, very simple idea. Oh, if you get it back to the sort number two, result number two, okay, I define the interval, right? The interval and the interval adjustable, right? Okay, the third line and the second and then the fourth line, I set up the delivery, right? Delivery time, right? Okay, is different and interval, okay, in the and the space and the period time 1 to 1, okay, is constant. 1 to 1 is constant to define 5 seconds, right? We can you define, okay, the 10 second, no whatever, no problem. Okay, you can set up depend on the application you use, right? Trying to, okay, emulate the parameter, okay, the same, right? Emulate to the same as the real one. Okay, and this one, okay, interval, right? In the third line, okay, you can change to the uniform if okay, not constant and uniform. Okay, you create the interval, right? I have ever tried to use the uniform to you already in the last video, right? Okay, I need to create skip it over and okay, a lot, right? Okay, need a function a lot. Okay, just you use which one you have to use, right? You have to use mean, okay, depend on the application, right? You can, okay, you try to emulate the parameter in the class simulation. Okay, you matching to the real situation, real process, right? Okay, and the different, right? Okay, the different at the delivery, right? Okay, delivery is the same. Okay, that you can define specific time. The transporter is come in and okay, it turn in the product to you, right? Right, okay. They try to deliver depend on the time, right? The timetable, right? The timetable you can define when the transporter will come in and deliver the product to you, to the process. You can define in the table, right? Okay, it's a specific time, like this, yeah, like this. Specific time and a number, the number of the part of the piece, right, or the pieces. Okay, depend on the real situation, right? Okay, I will set up and close the table. Okay, let me create a new one. Okay, new model. Okay, new model, and this is last previous one. Let me close it. Okay, it's clean up my project express, right? Okay, the model, it's a model, new model. Let me turn to material flow, right? Material flow and okay, drag in the source and the station, right? And okay, drain number one, drain number two, right? Okay, and use connector phase control. Click here, connect to the station, and station connect to the drain zero, and connect to the drain number one. Okay, done, right? Okay, let me change the name of the drain. We come to FG. Okay, FG mean finished goods, right? And this one we come to NG is no goods, right? No goods. Okay, I click on button. Okay, and double click on sort. Okay, double click on sort. This okay, you already know about here, right? And it already known about interval already, right? On of this you have uh, understood, right? Understood some parameter, right? Clear on the attribute tab, right? Okay, click OK, pass. The next, right? Double click on the station. The station, okay, the tab, right? Follow up the time, set up, failure, right? It's control axis. I will explain and tap all. Do all like this, right? Okay, follow up the tab by tab, right? Okay, and processing time, right? Okay, the same control as constant, uniform, normal, and okay, the lot of the function, right? Okay, I set up the 10 second, right? This the command, the drop down like this. Okay, nearly the same. The sort, right? The sort is okay, can be used the uniform, right? You need to set up uniform mean, okay, you set up the period time. Okay, the period time can be variable, the start, the start time, and the end time. Okay, the vary inside of this space, this periods, right? Okay, I call that the uniform. And the program try to random, right, inside. Okay, and the first limit and second limit, okay, in these periods, right? It can be used for like this. Okay, used for change the variable is not constant value interval sort, right? Okay, this the function, right? Nearly the same of the session. Okay, the define process time. Okay, the process time. Okay, this idea different from the sort, right? The sort, it means okay, when you need to set up the sort, supply the product to the conveyor, to the process line. Okay, and this case, the basic case, unless the very simple, just only one the conveyor, right? Okay, I told you right that I told you that's the process, right? And this time, okay, the idea of the interval in the sort, right? In the sort mean okay, I waiting, and when you need to set up the sort, right? Supply and feed the product to the conveyor with the new process. And this time, the process time is different. This process time mean how uh, what time, okay, right? What time is a machine used for building and machining and the processing some product stay on that station. Okay, what the time that your station is work, right, work on the product, right? Okay, this can be, it can be set up at that time, right? Okay, then the follow up the function, because normally at the real machine we cannot, it's not possible to use the constant time. It's always constant time to building the product, right? Because maybe some case, okay, the longer, slower, right? It's slower and okay and faster build it the product done. Okay, it's not the same constant. Okay, it's variable inform use the uniform. Okay, makes sense some case, right? Okay, you see here, many function. Okay, in the tab, right? Tab is time define the process time in the station, right? Okay, set up the time. Okay, set up the time. Okay, it's not really turn on the machine, building and processing and working on the product, right? Inside of the machine, right? Okay, waiting must be waiting about set up time first. Okay, if what happened if you set up time second, 30 seconds, apply, and okay, right now, okay, right now done here. It's all right. Okay, done here. Try first. Okay, try paying. Okay, you see this, look at this, right? Okay, let me scroll. Okay, zoom in. Okay, look at it. Okay, again. Okay, you see, this is LED, right? Okay, this is show up status, right? Status of the machine of the station. Right now, it's what working, right? It's what is working, right? Okay, it show up. Green mean okay, it's working, and processing in the product, right, at the station, right? Okay, and the brown, right, the brown color it, right, I mean, okay, waiting and set up time. Set up time is working, right? Set up time is working, and not yet the not just the station is working on the product, right? Okay, waiting the setup time done first, right? Okay, clean something. Okay, this is station, station. Okay, setup time. Setup time, right? Okay, uh, time. Okay, you define a setup time, right? Okay, the recovery time. Okay, and next tab is setup time. Okay, you define 30 minutes and 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, for setup time, and in depth of the setup time you can define. Okay, because nobody a setup time just the first time. Okay, and you turn on your feed and turn on your process. The process will come in the station, and okay, set up time start up, right, and start up and set up time done. Okay, the station, okay, build it and working, depend on the machine, right? Okay, and the set up time normally, okay, you first time it's working, this time it's working and done. Okay, never repeat set up again, right, because it's just the first time, right? Okay, normally, and the parameter, okay, it not set up specific the other the parameter, and that the normal. Okay, the first time, and never have a second set up time again, right? And if you need to repeat set up time, you can going to the setup tab, right? Setup tab. Okay, you click on the setup after one. Okay, that means after one, before next part, right? Before next part come in the session. Okay, that means, okay, every part come in the session, okay, you set up time start up, every part come in, every part they come in, right? Okay, this the meaning is the specific parameter. Okay, if you put in the two, okay, two part, every two part, the setup start up, setup working, right? Is work, right? Two part setup time work, something, every two part. Okay, I will show you if you set up like this, set up like this. Okay, set up time start. Okay, let me faster. Okay, green. The station work is working. It's working. Okay, we come to set up time again. Okay, and okay, you didn't see about number of the part at the FG, number of part or path to the NG, right? Okay, you didn't know, right? Okay, I will use the display user interface here, user interface here. Okay, that's all. Okay, let me turn reset. Double click on here. FG. FG. Okay, FG. FG. Hey, NG, right? Okay, repeat. Reset first and rerun. Okay, you see the status, the brown color. Okay, read. It just says I show you about okay setup time start up and okay start the setup time done. Okay, green color is spark and lit, right? Okay, and scroll up one product is product finish good, and okay next no goods, right? One something like this. Okay, feed is output, it's output, right? Okay, let's go to session again. And set up time, right? Okay, two part and start up set up time one time, right? Okay, every two parts start up the set up time is start one time. Okay, it's turn back to the time again, right? Okay, the recovery time mean when you done about just the green color so that doesn't mean the station is working in the product, right? Or try to fix it, try to assemble something or whatever, right? And done about that. And okay, your machine must have been about is clean up or not. Or not? Okay, clean up after the machine done because okay clean up wipe out clean out everything before the next party come in and okay your machine is already already okay working again, right? Okay, the clean are necessary in your machine or not, right? Okay, if you must have the time to clean up to the okay take it off fixture and okay you come in and clean up and fix it and okay tighten the screw something. Okay, recovery time, right? Recovery time, okay, take it off the screw, right? Or the screw, loosen the screw, and okay, loosen the screw and take the product off, right? Okay, something like this. Okay, recovery time need or not, right? Okay, if I need maybe okay second 20 seconds, 20 seconds, something like this. And this one recovery start at okay when part exists. Okay, when the station is done, ready to transfer next station, but it's not yet not ready to transfer next station. Okay, before transfer you the digitization need the recovery time for remove loosen the screw, right? Loosen the screw and clean up the table something, right? Okay, need 20 seconds, right? Okay, I set up the is the when part exists. Okay, show you what happened. Okay, brown is set up time. Oh, green working. Set up time, green working. And okay, it's the gray color. Gray color mean recovery time. Recovery time, right? Okay, this is the status of the LED lit. Okay, I need to reset up, reset back. Okay, like this. Okay, next is set up condition. Okay, in depth. After you define the setting time already, okay, you go into set up time tab. The time tab, okay, define uh, how many times the set up work uh, to start, right? To start again. Okay, you can define uh, in this tab, right? At this tab. Okay, failure. The failure, if you create a new failure, the failure is the right, you define the machine fail. Maybe it fail, right? Fail, maybe cause it's caused from the product is got stuck and machine broken something, right? Or you fail. And okay, you can define availability, right? Availability is the machine can be used, right? Can be used, right? Okay, I define 95% and 5% error, 5% fail, right? Okay, it's availability to win 95, fine. And when the fail happen, the fail situation, the breakdown of the machine, and use to 1 minute, 1 minute to recover, to repair something, right? To repair. Okay, you can define repair is 1 minute, right? Okay, this is the specific, right? Okay, you can specific start uniform something or a lot, right? You can define individual, right? Okay, later I will show you how you explain again, right? Okay, right now uh, I done about. Okay, this is the parameter here. Just only very simple to set up the parameter and this time, right? Okay, availability 95%. Okay, and when 95% and 5% is the error and the broken. Okay, that means depend on the program random. The random 5% maybe okay. The start 20 seconds to start up since the first since the start machine, and okay maybe 30, maybe 45 something. It's a random, right? Within 5%, right? Is the error and machine down. Click OK. Okay, you set up already. Okay, the failure. Click OK. Click control. Okay, click on. Click OK and repeat. Okay, you see recovery. You notice the red color. Red color mean the machine down, fail, broken something. 5%. Okay. Let me. Red color. Hmm? Okay, let me check. Let me check the failure. Okay, already done. Okay, waiting the red color. I will show you. This is a program. Read the red color. Meaning about the machine should have error, right? And must be fixed. Okay, let me set up the failure is the double click edit, right? Okay, variable is the 50%. Okay, 50%. Red color, right? Okay, red color is fail and broken. Something like this. Okay. And next, control. Okay, waiting. You already already learned about the method, how to code, some program, right? Okay, put into this block, right? I call that method. Okay, okay. Let me skip it up to keep over to the axis. Axis, right? Axis mean okay, before the out of some machine, right? The machine I call it before it's out of. Okay, it's going to outing mean uh, axis. You can set up right now. It is station uh, out of the station transfer to the FT NT, right? Okay, you can define, right? Because normally, okay, before I explain this command, this parameter, I will show you first. Okay, you see, normally it's the balancing FG1, NG1, right? Okay, right, the alternative. Receive, got the product, right, to NG to FG, right? This is the balancing because you never define the specific parameter, right? Okay, if I change, I need to define specific parameter axis. If I use the start at successor mean okay, right, the press, the FG press, okay, receive the the product come out of the station, right? Okay, this is the success. Successor mean okay, you going to click the link, right? In the line connector. Okay, you see the station is one, right? Connector one means successor one. Okay, this one successor two, right? Successor two, one, right? Successor one, successor two, right? Okay, if I click on here, I select that it the start at successor one mean okay, every product come out, it go transferring to FG because FG the successor one, right? Okay, I click okay. Oh, let me use it and faster, right? NG, nothing, me, and nothing. Okay, axis, and next, okay, next, okay, you can define, right, the percent, right? Apply, sorry, percentage, sub apply. Okay, let's you define the open list. Okay, you're going to open list, right? You define, uh, right? You define and okay, successor one. How many successor one? Right? Okay, successor one is the maybe I need to uh, 60, right? And this one 40% apply. Okay, right? Apply. Okay. Yeah. Repeat again. Right? 60, 40, right? Okay. Something like this. Ah, okay, axis like this. Okay, you can try. You can try and learning by doing. By the way, you can create a new condition. Maybe right, condition add up from the first one failure condition, double click on here. Okay, you add up some specific, right? You need to specific when start the problem. So the problem happen and the breakdown happen, right? When, right? Stop here. The stop is okay, already done about repairing, right? Okay, you can set up interval during duration, right? Okay, depend on the function, right? Is a specific, right? Okay, on of this, trying to emulate the condition in the pencil program match to the real problem, right? Okay, think that cancel first. And another thing, okay, uh, I will explain a little bit more. Okay, this one, if you take it off, right, become to the normal. It's a default. Default mean okay, the setup, right? The setup time start up at when you name it different, right? The part different come in, right? Okay, start up set up the time again one time. Okay, if the name pass same, okay, it never set up time happen, right? Okay, depend on the mu name, right? Okay, if you never set up the specific, right, and the 100 part, okay, set up time again one time, right, something, right? This is the specific, right? And the time processing time, the processing time is the right, okay, is the detail, it's a model in depth, right? Because the processing time, if you don't care about inside and in depth of the problem, because this is the classify to set up time, the coverage time, right? Okay, in detail, and maybe sometimes you don't care about set up time, the coverage time, right? On of this, including to the processing time, one processing time inside of processing time, okay, right, inside of the processing time, okay, hidden about is the setting time, recovery time inside of the processing time. And if this is the benefit something, if you okay, classify and speed it off to specific setup time, coverage time, okay, you have the benefit in this way, because when you need to analyze the setup time, okay, this is too much or not, okay, or the liquid time, okay, can must be less than 20, okay, if you fix it and liquid time reduce, right? Okay, the overall performance efficiency is very good, and increasing the performance, something like this. Okay, the specific you can try and error. I choose the simulation, right? Okay, matching your idea, you try and try out, and if okay, say the time is less, okay, how many percent the performance efficiency is increasing, right? Something like that, right? Okay, and if okay, lastly, to set up the processing time, maybe set up time recording time, okay, in not necessary, because you take on off this come in and including to the processing time, right? And or easier, right? Something like this. By the way, I forgot explain something to you. Okay, let me focus on this. Because this one the display, right? If you okay, never needed to use the display easier, easy to look at, right? And if you don't care about display, you can look at the station, right? Okay, at the station and statistics, right? The display on of this, right? Okay, it's working, right? And set up time, how many percent, okay, show you, and right now how many uh, axis, right? Axis, okay, it's come out the station, right? Okay, it show up on here, right? Okay, I waiting is done first. Okay, okay, 2000, right? Click on here. Okay, it's run because I never set up the time, right? Never the time 1 hour or something. Okay, I reset it first setting and and okay, one day, one day. Okay, axis, right? Okay, and it's plus together, right? It's share 60%, 40%, right? Axis. Okay, it exists from the station. Okay, something like that. You can look at it, the detail in the station, right? Okay. If you don't need to look at the station because you need to click inside, click and go inside at the station and find out the axis, uh, something like that, right? Okay, you can use the display show up on your screen easier, right? Okay. Okay, have done here. Right now you ready to save, right? If you save and maybe before you save that file, overwrite to the same name, right? Okay, I suggest you need to change the name in the last one exercise, right? Okay, you set up the basics, right? Basics station, right? Station. Okay. Click OK, right? And save, override same name, right? Okay.